Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today is the first Tuesday and Nifty expiry. And as expected, it was very volatile. Yesterday, the people have sold 24,700 call option in huge quantities and 24,500 put option also. And then today morning market shot up like anything and triggered all the stop losses. Then after that, in the afternoon, there was a sudden sell-off of more than 225 points. Some put options which were trading at 1 rupee, they went up to 50 rupees. Right? Just imagine a 1 rupee put option going to 50 rupees. Very first thing is that I was not clear why the market rallied so much. Yesterday also the Nifty rallied about 200 points. Today at the highest point, again another 150, 175 points. So there was no positive news for this kind of a big rally. So 2 days markets rallied. FIIs must have taken this as a chance to book the profits. And the Bank Nifty is the worst performing index. If you see the Bank Nifty, recent high was 57,600 and now 53,600 was broken. That means Bank Nifty has fallen more than 4,000 points in the last few weeks. That is about 8%. Just imagine an index falling 8% and that too within few weeks. And this HDFC Bank, no matter what stock goes higher, the HDFC Bank always comes down. Today at some point of time, I saw Nifty was trading around 0.35% higher, but Bank Nifty was down. So it is the Bank Nifty that dragged the market much lower today. Otherwise, FMCG index has been doing very well, more than 1%. Maybe they are expecting some big announcements during the next 2 days, the GST meeting. So maybe, many things may be, like many FMCG products may be the beneficiary of this GST reduction. Mid cap, small cap and broader markets all outperformed. So the underperformance came only mainly because of the Bank Nifty. Reliance Industries shot up like 30 rupees in the morning, but that also came down. So overall, today, the weekly expiry is a very pathetic. I think most of the intraday traders would have lost heavily. Even the positional traders, it was very tough. But on a close-to-close basis, Nifty is just down only about 50 points. So nothing very big. But, it was going up and then coming down, again going up. That was the issue. So anyway, so we are not out of the woods yet and the problems still continue. There are a lot of uncertainties. Say for example, there is some news that today at 11:30, there is going to be some important announcement from US President. So the best announcement can be his resignation, but I don't think that he is going to do that. This crazy president, we can say like 300% tax, 400% tax. So people are all speculating. So what he's going to do? Especially in China, that many leaders have met. They call it Shanghai Cooperation Organization like that. So that is gaining the headline news in the worldwide. So, there's a proverb in Tamil. So if I go to marriage, I must be the groom. If I go to death, I must be the dead body. So the Trump is like that. So he wants to be on the limelight, no matter whether it is right or wrong. So because of this China thing is getting, limelight. So maybe he might be announcing something very drastic. So we don't know. So we have to wait. But right now the US futures are also down very much. Even the European markets are down. I think a British pound, it has fallen almost 1% against US dollar. And, silver rallying more than 2%. Gold going to all-time high already. Even the crude prices are going higher. So I do not know what is going to be the announcement tonight, but there may be something bad also. So probably that also might have triggered some kind of a profit booking in our markets. So when there are so many uncertainties, so why should this our market go that to like 300 point, 400 point in just 2 trading sessions? So market has gone. So anyway, so we will wait for today. But next 2 to 3 trading session, markets are going to be very, very volatile. So on one side, Trump, the other side, GST Council meeting and many things. So we will have to wait at least for a week for things to settle down. But until then, it is time to be very, very cautious. There is no need to talk about the open interest, this and that. So everything is, the weekly expiry is gone. Naturally, for the next week expiry, 25,000 will be having the highest open interest. So we must be happy if Nifty goes to 25,000 at least by the end of next week. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.